Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mission right here, and basically what this is an indoor camera that's 1080p, that is from this brand right here, and they call it the IN1. So basically for this camera, you can definitely use it indoor or outdoor. However you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys, but they mainly designed this for like an indoor camera. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that it's compatible with Alexa and also Google Assistant as well. So if you guys want to connect it onto the app to use it in that case, you definitely can. If you can see in the back right here, they show you guys how to install it if you guys want to mount it onto the wall. And if you can see on the side of the package right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well right here. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see this is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing you can see inside right here, they provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. Next right here, they provide you guys some stickers. So definitely stick this on your property so that way people know you're protected. And then right here, they provide you guys an accessory box. So when you open it up, they provide you guys some mounting accessory right here. And then right here, they provide you guys the wall charger, which is USB. And this is what the other side looks like right here. And then right here, they provide you guys a really long cable, which is USB to micro USB. So you can definitely use that to power on the device. And then last but not least, we have the actual camera right here. So I'll actually take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see this is basically what the product looks like right here. So the front part right here with the camera. On the side right here, we do have the brand logo right here. If you guys turn it on this side right here, we do have the slot for you guys to plug in the micro SD card if you don't want to use the cloud storage option. And then the back part right here, we do have the speaker. I believe the mic is somewhere here as well. And then right here, we do have the slot for you guys to plug in the cable to activate it. And right here, we do have the reset button. And then the bottom part right here is basically the stand option. So if you guys want to put it on a flat table, you definitely can. Or if you guys want to mount this part onto like the wall or something, you definitely can as well. But basically for the bottom part right here, they do have like the non-slip material as well. That also has that very nice padding to protect the product from getting scratches or whatever. And then basically for this part right here, if you guys want to bend it, you can definitely go like that. Or if you guys want to go like this, you can definitely do that as well. You can basically do almost 360 on here, which is pretty nice. So that way you can actually rotate it how you guys want to in different angles. But basically for the front part right here is all nicely wrapped. Let me actually take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we remove the wrapper, you guys can see this is what it looks like right here. So on top right here, they do have an indicator light to show you guys when the product is on or off. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Before we actually test it out, I do want to talk about some of the specs that's on here first. So for this camera that we have right here, they mentioned how there's actually motion detection on here. And they also have a sound alert as well if you guys want to use that option. And in terms of the motion detection on here, they also have a human detection option as well. So that way, if you guys want to keep an eye on your baby, you definitely can. And also what's really cool about this camera is the fact they give you guys the option to do two-way audio. So if you guys want to talk to someone on the other side, whether you guys actually set this near like your door or if you guys want to set this indoor to actually talk to a family member, you can definitely use that option on here. And also another cool feature that's on the part right here is the fact that they give you guys a multiple live view option. So that way, if you guys want to see it and someone else wants to see it, you can definitely see the other person on both phones or both devices, which is pretty cool. And then also for this camera that we have right here, it is 1080p like I mentioned, but it also has a night vision built in as well. So that way you guys can see stuff in the dark if you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually show you guys how to use it first. So first thing you guys want to do is to download the app and actually power the device. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we got our app all set right here. Let me actually power on the device to show you guys how it works first. So I basically want to plug in the cable in the back right here. Alright, so once you plug it in, you guys see how it pops on the red indicator right here to show you guys that's on. So what we want to do now is actually connect it onto the device first. So when you guys add the device, you basically want to be on this page right here. Alright, so I told you guys to power on the device first. You want to click on next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Alright, so we basically want to press the reset button in the back right here first. Alright, so once you guys see it blinking right here, you guys want to click on next. Alright, so for the next step, you guys want to connect it to a 2.4G network. Alright, so we want to scan the QR code right here to actually connect it. Alright, so here it actually does work.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Alright, so it's basically connecting now. So wait for it to fully connect first. Alright, so you see that it definitely does connect on here. So basically once the red light changes to blue light right here, and then you see the screen right here, then you guys are basically all set. Alright, so you see that this is basically what the app looks like once you guys finish setting up. If you can see the quality of the image and everything on here is actually pretty high quality. So basically right now I actually have the security camera right on my table right here, all set up and ready to use. that is how you guys see the image on here or the video on here. But definitely if you guys can see on the app right here, you definitely have a lot of different options on here. So you have the mute button right here, you have the photo button right here, you have the record button right here, and we do have the enlarge screen option right here as well. And right here we do have the button for you guys to speak to the other person if you guys want to. But I'll actually enlarge it first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see right here, they also give you guys a motion detection option here as well to let you guys know to actually detect motion on here. We can definitely see the quality of the actual image or the video right here is actually pretty high quality. So when you see my hand right here, I'm waving right here to the actual camera. So if I want to talk to the other person on the other end, I definitely can. But basically for the camera that's on here, if I want to actually talk to it, you can definitely hear everything on here. But I don't want to turn too loud right now because there could be feedback. If I increase it a little bit, you guys can hear what I mean. So I can hear my voice right here. So that's basically coming from the actual security camera right here. So basically every time when someone's moving or walking by, it actually sends an alert to you guys to let you guys know there's motion detected. So we press on this button right here. That took a photo. If I press this one right here, we're basically recording the video now, if you can see. And when you guys enlarge the screen, you can definitely adjust the quality of the video as well. So if we tap the screen right here, if you guys see the bottom part here, you have this option for you guys to adjust the quality on here. And on the bottom of the app right here, you can see there's some more options here as well. And if we go to setting option right here, this is basically what's on the setting option right here. So you definitely change the name of the device. You can change all the different settings on here. And also like I mentioned, if you guys want to connect it to your Amazon Echo or Google Home device, you can definitely do that on here as well. So I'm pressing the mic button right here. If I can hear it's actually really loud. And because of how close I am right now, I can't really test it out. Or else you guys will only hear feedback on here. But definitely if you guys want to adjust like the motion detection option on here, you definitely can as well. So the way how you guys adjust the motion detection on here is going like this. And you can adjust it right there if I can see. And also for this product, it does have a night vision option as well. Let me actually bring this somewhere where it's darker and show you guys how it works and when actually it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I brought the camera into a different room so I can get a darker setting. So you can see this will actually looks like when you guys set it up right here. Let me actually turn off the light and show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys use the night vision on here. Alright, so you can see this is what it actually looks like when you guys use the night vision on here. If you can see, it's actually really clear. So if I turn it this way, this is what it actually looks like on this side right here. So if you guys see my face on here, it's actually really clear on here. And that is where the camera right there. So the room right now is completely dark, if you can see. And once we turn back on the light, if you can see, once we turn back on the light, it's actually really clear. So both the night vision and the regular camera on here definitely works pretty well. And it is super high quality, if you can see the image quality on here. So you can see the night vision on here definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work. Actually works quite well. So after doing the test on everything on here, you can definitely see everything on here works really well. Ranging from the high quality audio, the high quality image, the high quality video, and also the night vision and so much more. You could basically use this as an indoor camera, or if you guys want to set this outdoor in front of your door or whatever, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And it's really cool how it gives you guys the option to do like two-way audio on here as well. So if you guys want to talk to the other person, or if they want to talk to you, you can definitely do that on here, which is super convenient. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a super portable and compact indoor camera to use to maybe keep an eye on your pets or to keep an eye on your baby, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.